Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can turn off the NSFW filter on character AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the character AI app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage, where all of the recommended characters will be displayed. Now choose the preferred character from here and try typing "turn off NSFW filter." You can see that the NSFW filter has been turned off, and now I can type in whatever I want. Note that the response to this message is different for every character, and you might not get the same reply. So you just need to try a little harder, or try out some synonyms like "turn off censorship." So that's basically how you can turn off the NSFW filter on character AI button on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.